What is going on, everybody? Welcome back. MTG here with another episode. If you're new to the channel, hi there. I've got Material 3 Expressive right here on the Pixel 9 Pro Fold, and I want to showcase some of the main visual UI changes that I have noticed with this device and across all Pixel devices. Now, I'm not going to go too into detail, but just showcase like the main ones that I've noticed. And with the 9 Pro Fold, we get this larger 8-inch display, so we get to see it in action. Now, first things first is going to be the lock screen. Actually, I'm going to show you with the outer. Here's the outer. You quickly saw that fog animation. And also, when you turn the phone on from the lock or from the power button, it kind of opens up from that direction. You saw that fog again. You see just some upgraded UI changes with the notifications right here. And then there is the home screen. There it is, pretty much, you know, like regular Pixel devices. Then we open up the inner display. Again, looks fairly similar. There it is with the lock screen open, like with the inner display open, and bam, we're in the home screen right now. And then we have right here the battery icon as well as the Wi-Fi icon. They look like iOS, or maybe that's just me, but a lot of people have been saying it, and I agree, it looks like iOS. The number is now inside the battery icon. So I don't know, I'm fine with it. I think it looks pretty decent, but let me know if you guys like it or not. I think it's here to stay for a while. We'll see, unless there's, you know, they change in the final version, who knows. Then we come down to the quick settings and the notifications. Here it is. We are getting some changes right here, just some user interface changes that kind of fit with the rest of Material U, with the rest of the Pixel UI, user interface. Again, some upgrades right here with the quick settings as well as the notifications, which I do prefer. And like there is some haptic feedback, so if you want to like swipe it away, but then you just, you know, you kind of say, no, you know what, I'm going to leave it. It, you know, it just kind of, you can feel it. Now, if I swipe, it's going to swipe away, but then I can bring it back and, you know, it stays there. So it's just something I noticed that I want to share with you guys. And then there is the volume controls, which right here you can see, again, some upgrades with how it looks. And I think it looks pretty clean, aesthetically pleasing. I really like Pixel UI. I've said it in so many videos of mine in the past, but Pixel UI, I don't know, it makes me feel really productive. Like I want to get work done, and since my main work is, you know, updating you guys here on YouTube and sharing with you guys content, and also through other platforms like Threads and X and TikTok and all that stuff. I'm pretty much taking care of a lot of stuff on my phone, especially like with uploading videos and photos and content and stuff. So I can take care of that all in the Pixel 9 Pro Fold, and then kind of send emails with this because of that larger display and all. But I really do like, with like just these small little changes, makes it a whole new experience. And then there is settings right here. As you can see, again, some new toggles, new fonts and colors with the settings app, and a new layout. And honestly, I really like it. It's clean, straightforward, and, you know, right to it. Like it, if you want to get to network and internet, you have that right here. But again, it's just new user interface changes, like how it looks. Just the look of it is updated. Okay, so one of the main changes here is with the home screen, specifically like with these wallpapers. As you can see right here, I have a new wallpaper that I'm going to be switching from my previous one, and this is from my wallpaper pack called Color Blast. Links in the description down below. And you can see how it looks with both the outer display and the inner display, lock screen and home screen. So I'm going to go to effects, and you can see there's different effects right here. You can have shape effects, which, yeah, I'm not a huge fan of, and then the color of it too, you can change. You can change how bright it is or how dark the color is. I like weather specifically. You can have it for your local weather, and for me right now it's raining, so it shows that. You can have it at fog, and you can change the aggressiveness of the fog. I like it at full, like just at the very top. You can have rain, snow, sun. I mean, if you like that too, but I don't know, fog looks pretty clean. And then cinematic mode right here, so you can add a 3D motion to the photo, which I don't have at the moment. So I'm going to go back to weather and leave it at fog. I'm going to hit that and then hit next, and I'll be all set. And there you go. Bam. So you see his animation for like a second or two, and then it kind of fades away. And then here it is on the lock screen, again, a second or two, fades away, and bam, you're into the home screen. But that's like one of the main changes you're getting with Material 3 Expressive. Again, there's definitely smaller changes and additions with Android 16 that I didn't go into detail, but the main ones that really pop out, especially if you use past Pixel devices, these ones kind of are just UI, user interface changes. But I hope you guys did enjoy this video. Definitely be sure to superman that like button, comment down below, and best of all, share this video because it really does help out the channel out a lot and will help push my content out to more people. That's been it for me, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.